This is my 2014 Ram. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick oil change. I'm going to show you guys pretty much, I'm pretty sure a lot of people, anybody could do this, but what's up, y'all? Might be a little bit windy outside, but this is my 2014 Ram. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick oil change. I'm going to show you guys pretty much, I'm pretty sure a lot of people, anybody could do this, but quick little easy step for you, and how you could be able to save yourself probably like $100. You know, it depends where you at and how much you pay to get an oil change on these trucks. I know it's $130 for me to get an oil change on this truck. So I'm just gonna show you my stuff that I have, and pretty much what you gotta do is, it's pretty simple. It's not anything that's difficult to do. All right, so what I'm gonna be putting in my truck is 5W20 full synthetic. That's recommended. Pretty much got 7 quarts, and this is the filter. I normally use the Mopar, but this is what I had available at AutoZone. So you know, I'm a little bit backed up now to get my oil change as soon as possible, so I just end up going with the mobile one. So first thing first, obviously you gotta drain the oil, so I'm gonna be draining the oil. So I'm about to put on my filter. Well, I'm gonna take the old one off and put in the new one. If you got one of these trucks, trying to get one of these, good luck. Definitely gonna make a mess. It's at a crazy angle, so all you want to do, rub a little bit of oil on top, and you should be good. Like a weird angle, so I'm gonna show you guys. If you could see right there, that's where it goes. So you got a whole lot of ish in your way, so kind of hard, but you'll be able to get it done. So I got the new one on now. The easy part, got to put the oil in there. Gonna check my oil, let her run for a little bit. Shut it off. I always like to double check to make sure. I know I trust myself, but make sure there's no leaks. I'm about to check my oil. And just like that, that's it. Man, this thing looks so good up front, man. I just love the front end on these trucks, though. All right, y'all, so I just got done doing a quick oil change. Well, not a quick oil change. Just got done doing my oil change on my Ram. And I must say, if you got one of these trucks, just understand that where the oil filter is, that's kind of like a pain to be able to reach. So you're gonna have to brace yourself that you're gonna have a little bit oil spill and stuff like that. So, but definitely give this video a thumbs up, and I upload every day, so definitely stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.